The Precision system uses bipolar radiofrequency technology for a successful treatment of varicose veins. With the aid of the newly developed bipolar pulse RFITT mode, varicose veins can be treated more gently and efficiently. The affected leg needs to be prepared generously. The access is generally placed at the distal insufficiency point. The affected vein is located and the puncturing needle is inserted under ultrasound control. After gaining access to the vein, a very fine guide wire can be inserted through the puncturing needle. This allows placement of the introducer sheath inside the vein being treated. Take one applicator out of the box and connect the sterile applicator to the precision generator, which automatically recognizes the ProCurve V applicator. Now the flexible RF applicator will be inserted through the introducer sheath into the target vein to the saphenofemoral junction. This should be done under ultrasound guidance to make sure that the applicator is in exactly the right place to start the treatment. This image of the ultrasound shows the applicator tip in the correct position of 1 centimeter away from the saphenofemoral junction. The rubber ring can be used for marking the penetration depth and for fixating the position of the applicator. The procedure may be performed under tumescence anesthesia and must always be used when treating extrafascial veins to separate the vein from the skin. This is an important part of the procedure. In general, the injection of tumescence anesthesia compresses the vein and separates the vein from the surrounding tissue. While applying the fluid, the Trendelenburg position is recommended. A double check down the leg is recommended to make sure that enough fluid is around the affected vein. The position of the applicator should be checked after this step again. Now the treatment can be started. The energy output is triggered by activating the foot switch. At the same time, the generator gives acoustic and visual feedback. In this process, the emitted energy of the bipolar tip can be easily seen under ultrasound guidance. The precision system is self-regulating. During the procedure, the impedance feedback is measured automatically and the emitted energy is regulated according to the tissue coagulation status. The applicator should be continuously pulled back from proximal to distal. The right pullback speed can be determined by the precision generator screen and signal, which will indicate how fast the RF applicator should be pulled down the vein. Additionally, the auto stop function prevents over-treatment of the vein and damage to the introducer sheath. This localized and precise application of radiofrequency energy shrinks and occludes the vein in minutes. To avoid coagulating the epidermis, the power output should be stopped as soon as the ringed mark becomes visible on the applicator tip. After the procedure, the vein can be verified under ultrasound guidance to make sure that the vein is occluded. After every procedure, the time and applied energy should be reset. Close the access with wound sealing strips. A compression bandage should be applied from the distal to the proximal direction immediately after treatment. The bandage should be replaced with a compression stocking after 24 hours and worn for 10 to 14 days. The treated vein remains in the body and is no longer visible. After a year, the treated vein is usually reabsorbed. The Precision system is a smart, gentle, and efficient solution for varicose vein treatment.